Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish fry. First, select your favorite fresh fish, such as cod or tilapia, ensuring it's firm and fresh. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fish for 4 servings. Next, gather your dry ingredients, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornmeal, and your chosen seasonings. A good blend includes 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika for a lovely color and flavor. Now let's get your fish ready for frying. Begin by patting each fish fillet completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a crispy crust. Next, set up your breading station. In one shallow dish, whisk 2 large eggs with a splash of milk. In another, combine your flour, cornmeal, and spices. Dip each piece of fish into the egg wash, letting any excess drip off, then transfer it to the dry mixture, pressing firmly to ensure a full, even coating on all sides. For the perfect fry, heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet or deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important not to overcrowd the pan, so fry your fish in small batches, perhaps 2 or 3 pieces at a time. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 4 minutes, or until the fish is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your fish is perfectly fried, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack set over paper towels to drain any excess oil. This helps keep it wonderfully crispy. Serve your delicious fish fry immediately, garnished with fresh lemon wedges for a bright, zesty finish. It pairs wonderfully with classic accompaniments like creamy coleslaw, tangy tartar sauce, or even some crispy French fries for a complete meal. Enjoy your homemade fish fry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.